What is up, people of the world? My name is Axel. Now, this is my first video, so that's what you're gonna do. I'm his cousin. Yeah, Maxi. Okay. Wait, I'm just gonna play Teacher the Doggy. We're just going to Doggy. That's all. Okay, ready? Wait. Okay. Ouch. Wait.
Hey, hey, teach me how to tell you, hey. They be like, smooth, what? Can you teach me how to tell you? You know why? Cause all the bitches love me, hey. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. And for you to back it up and dump it, get it. Put your arms out front, lean side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you hit that Dougie ride. Ain't nobody fucking with my bro from on the side. He go by Bubba and he hit that death like thunder. Okay, I ain't from Dallas, but I deep town boogie. I show my moves off to everybody trying to do me. I lead the functions and all the ladies trying to screw me. Now you just do you. And I'ma do it all day. Niggas love to hate, so they try to sue me. Bitches be stuck to me. I think they try to glue me. I make the party shine bright when it started glooming. This beat was bubble gum, so I had to chew it.
Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie.
All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. You ain't fucking with my Dougie.
Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie.
All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. You ain't fucking with my Dougie.
The name is Young. Yeah. For them dudes who don't know me, I know I'm from the West, but I can teach you how to Dougie. I step up in the club and all these bitches bug me. On the nigga.